These are my top 5 passive income plays for December 2022. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the real degen projects, to blue chips, to the low market cap gems that can do a 25 to 50x in the next bull run. Any of that sounds good to you? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Coming in at number 5 is Defi Finance in the DEX vaults. Defi Finance has been a staple on this channel for many weeks, and I'm in the DEX vaults and I'm holding a pretty good bag in there. The US DEX token has been steady around $1.05 to $1.06. Had a little spike today. The DEX share token, which you have to have a small percentage in, at least 5%, and then 5% in the DEX share BNB pair. So you're basically getting about 7.5% exposure to DEX share. That's been kind of the issue. It's been falling, down from where it was in August, where it was over $250. Now it's down to $27.25. It's had a couple little bounces here and there. Needs to find a bottom for this vault to actually do what it's supposed to do. It's keeping up with the fall of the token for now. Hopefully it finds like a good bottom. The APY on this one's 40.33%. There are some higher percentage ones, but again, then you're going to have a bigger exposure to the DEX share and DEX share BNB. And I'm not personally comfortable to do that right now. The markets are still pretty volatile. So I'm sticking with the 40.33% APY in the conservative vault. Coming in at number 4, it's Elephant Money Farms. It's unbelievable to me that there's only 645 wallets participating in this, but currently you're earning 34.766% APR. Basically, you're just putting in your stable coins or blue chip paired with trunk. So there's no impermanent loss. You get out what you put in, plus you get your rewards, obviously. So if you put in 1 Ethereum and the equivalent in trunk, you'll get the exact 1 Ethereum back when you withdraw. So my number 4 passive income play for December is Elephant Money Farms. Coming in at number 3 is Animal Farm. I think a lot of people don't realize how long of a term play this is. I'm looking at this for months, years down the road. The farming APRs are great, and to accumulate the dog token, then I'm taking my dog tokens, pairing them with BUSD, and then earning pigs and putting them in the pig pen to earn BUSD. The more pigs you have, the more BUSD you earn, and that's the way I'm playing it. The farms I'm in currently are the BNB BUSD, and I'm in the pool for the BUSD pool. That's the way I'm playing it. A very long-term play. I can see the pig token could possibly go up over $200 pretty much for sure, and then it could possibly go higher than that. $250, $300 are definitely a possibility. If we take a look at the chart, as recently as like the middle of October, it hit almost $200. And then before that, in the original run-up, it was over $220. So I could see it getting back there again eventually. And my play right now is just to accumulate as many pigs as possible. Coming in at number 2 is one of my favorites, is Beefy Finance. There's just so many options to make passive income, or if you just want to accumulate blue chips, from Ethereum to Avalanche to Matic to BNB. There's just so many options. Even if you want to just accumulate stable coins, you could put in your USDT, USDC, and earn 14.94% in this particular pool here. A DAI USDC is 20.39% APY. So there's so many different ways. And the thing I like about it is, like with your staked Matic pool, you're earning yield on your staked Matic, which is half of the equation, and then you're earning more yield on your LP. So you got your liquidity pair, which has 0 impermanent loss, and then you're earning another 14.69%. There's just so many options on here. If we scroll down, one of the ones I'm doing is the avax pool, which you're getting your staked avax yield, and then your plus your LP. That's this one here. You're getting 7.24% on that. And then if you can pair USDC with avax and get 20.8%, which that one's awesome too. And if you want to mix up some blue chips like avax and phantoms on here as a pair, avax and BNB, and they're adding a lot of low market cap ones too with the really high APYs. There's one project here called Giddy. I'm going to do a video on it showing what it's all about. But if you pair that with USDC, you're getting 354% APY. You're getting almost a 0.5% daily APY on this one. And that's a sushi swap LP, which that's fairly trustworthy. That's one of the better, DEXs that are out there that's been around for a while. So well deserving of the number 2 spot is Beefy Finance. And the number 1 pick, if you watch this channel, it's definitely not a surprise. It's Make DeFi Better, MDB protocol. The Xenia is auto compounders are amazing. I'm in the MDB plus one. I'm staking MDB BNB in the farm. I'm also staking the MDB that I earn as a reward, and I also am staking Infinity. So I'm pretty much in all portions of this. I'm not really in the Phoenix. I have been in the past. I've got a little bit in there, but not much. But there's just so many ways to earn passive income in here, and with the burn mechanisms they have in place, it's super deflationary, which keeps the MDB token fairly stable. You look at the chart, that's the daily. It's anywhere between about a penny to 2 cents, a little under 2 cents. So it's fairly stable. If we get a good run up in the markets, I'm sure it'll go up quite a bit. And then they're just burning tokens left and right. It just seems like you're always seeing them burning a million here, a million there. And the team and the community are great. The team is always proactive. They're always trying to make the protocol better. If they see something they don't like, they fix it before it's a problem. So that makes MDB, Make DeFi Better, my number 1 passive income play for December of 2022. I'm always open to new ideas and new projects. If there's one I'm missing and I haven't covered, I'll take a look at it for sure. Just leave that project in the comments. I look forward to looking at those comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.